Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Today I got to write a song from scratch. And then also I'm going to have my homie Kyle Adams rip some drums on this song. He's the drummer of Cartel. He's an absolute weapon, a killer session drummer. So he's going to give us a little studio tour and his creative process behind ripping drums on top of a song. I have some inspiration. To be honest, I'm going through a breakup right now.
You guys are watching me. You guys are watching me grieve a breakup in real time.
And I've kind of just been working a lot and shooting a lot of videos to avoid thinking about it and really releasing it through a song because I feel like it sucks, you know, it really does suck. So I'm just trying to figure out a way to release it the right way because I want to do this feeling justice, not just like force a song out because I have to get a song done. But I was messing around on the guitar before. I think I have something cooking. I think I have a cool tuning. Again, with the weird tunings. This time I'll tell you the tuning since you guys keep asking. So of course, we got the Zen Box open right on the stock preset with the gain pulled down. So the tuning is E, A, D, A, C sharp, D. Makes no sense to me. I don't know anything about notes, but all I know is it sounds good. So I think I'm gonna mess around with this lossy pedal and give it some vibe in the intro. I'm gonna add in drums as I'm going, but when I send Kyle the song, I'm gonna take all the drums out and just let him do whatever he thinks sounds good. I trust him fully. He's an incredible drummer. So I'm gonna rip this lossy pedal in there. It's gonna make it feel like real time, YouTube to MP3. It's kind of cool. Oh boy. I still don't know how to use this pedal. I like that sort of warbly, lossy sounding thing. Maybe let's crank it down a little bit.
I found your picture in my wallet at the grocery store. I felt my heart drop to my stomach lower than ever before.
I felt my heart drop to my stomach lower than before because I was already sad, and then I saw that picture and I was just like, ugh, the act of like having to throw that away in like 4 years of a relationship it's just tough.
It hit the floor. It fucking hit the floor.
And then I want that floor vocal to sound like it's in the room, like take a couple steps back from it, you know? Maybe I should actually just do it in the room.
It hit the floor. It fucking hit the floor.
Our relationship ended on good terms as they could be. When all was said and done, not to like get too much into my personal life, but basically just the end goal in our lives were just different, and it caused issues and it made us start to resent each other. And once we realized that, I just had to make the decision for both of us basically and say like, we need to accept that like we do love each other and we care about each other, but you know, we want different things out of life, and I don't want to hold her back from what she needs out of life, and I definitely can't hold myself back from what I need out of life, too. Let's get some drums going. Pseudo drums until Kyle actually rips it on top of it. All right, let's get the other rhythm side going. And then we'll do a lead on top. All right, other side. And then of course we need some bass in there. I'm just gonna do the pedaling bass so that it doesn't get in the way of the drums. and then straight into verse. I'm gonna go in lyric mode for a little bit. I need to really think about the core of this thing and not be really surface level about it and be like, I packed all my things, brought it out the apartment. That's where my brain went to first. But at the core, I thought that she was my person and that we were gonna grow old together, but now it's just like different paths. So how do I sum that up? Such a big thing to sum up in like 3 lines. I'm gonna try. I guess that you, I mean, I can just say it. I guess that you weren't my person after all. But the end line was gonna be like, you can have it all. It's okay. I don't want to get in the way of it. I'm just gonna write it.
I guess that you weren't my person after all.
The perfect one to call.
Sorry that I'm not the perfect one to call.
All right, let me build out this instrumental a little bit more here.
One to
Reminds me of Transit a lot, which I love. Pretty sure the guitarist Tim in that band, who was really the guy who came up with a lot of the licks, passed away a couple years ago, or I guess a while ago now, but one of my favorite bands in the entire world, Transit. Really love that band. I'm gonna try to summon some of that into this song.
I guess that you weren't my person after all. Sorry that I'm not the perfect one to call. I guess that you weren't my person after all. Sorry that I'm not the perfect one to call.
I was wrong, now you're crying. Now that you're gone, it feels like you're dying. Maybe crying isn't strong enough, but feels like you're dying is true to what this feels like. It feels like just like grieving, saying goodbye. I mean, we spent a lot of life together. We traveled in an RV for a year together. We got 2 cats together. She's gonna take the cats back to New Jersey, probably never see them again. I mean, like I said, we're on good terms, so like, maybe it's just weird. You basically just have to pretend they're dead or they're gone, so that you don't keep reopening the wound and hurting yourself. Maybe there's something in there. Well, I have the melody and I have the general idea, so let me get the chorus in there.
I was wrong, it feels like you're dying.
You're just miles away, like, but you're right there. That's kind of what makes it hard, is like, they are there.
How do I grieve when you're miles away? I was wrong and I can't stand you crying.
If I didn't leave, then you would have never have stayed. Sort of saying like, it had to end this way. Otherwise, like, we would have resented each other and it would have just not worked out anyway. I had to leave or you wouldn't have stayed.
I had to leave, cause you wouldn't have stayed.
I need something, the last line.
Cause you wouldn't have stayed. I didn't mean to make you cry.
Leave the lights on at night. Because she's back at our old apartment by herself. And I know she hates that. And I feel horrible about it.
And sleep alone at night and leave on all the lights. Make you cry and make you question why we shared our life. Remember for a moment you were mine.
I'm crying.
Remembered for...
I can't sing when I'm crying. Then big build up. This doesn't have to be a traditional type of song. I hope you guys know this stuff is real. And we broke up like 3 weeks ago. And like, I cried, you know, like the day we broke up and stuff. And I cried when she was really trying to get back together. Because it's tough. It's tough to let somebody down like that and see them so upset. But I haven't really like grieved myself. This is how I grieve. I write songs. It's just coming out. It's just coming out. I haven't even really said anything. It's just that one lyric. Life is hard. Life is fucking hard, man. Sorry you're attached to a video of me crying, Kyle. At least you're on a song that really actually does mean a lot to me. All right, let me switch to guitar mode for a little bit. Remember for a moment I was right, is the line.
Remember for a moment I was right. I was right.
It was lyrics are hard, you know, because sometimes, oh, let's get real for a second. Sometimes relationships in general, if they don't work out, doesn't mean that they were a waste of time or wrong or even a lesson, you know. Sometimes they just have their time, and who knows down the line if we'll figure things out. But basically the reason why things ended was because she missed her family back in New Jersey, and I just have nothing in New Jersey for me anymore, and everything is here in LA, and I have a lot here that I want to do, and I just know in my gut that that's what I'm meant to do, is just work on music and be here. And this life and this lifestyle is not for the weak, you know. I think anybody that's ever toured in a band can sympathize with me that this life is a selfish one, and you just know you have a mission to create music and create art and help other people create art and do that thing. And that's a hard job to have. You have to sacrifice a lot. You miss out on birthdays, you miss out on holidays, you miss out on friendships, relationships, all those things. And if I wanted to just settle and stay where I'm at and be where I'm at, I mean, there was other things attached to this, but at the core, it really was just like, we wanted different things. She wanted to settle down in New Jersey, and I want to settle down here and make my life here. And my life is in constant flow, and she wants stability, which is, I totally understand. You know, it's not a crazy thing to ask for. As much as she wanted to work it out and make it work and cater to what I needed, I knew what she needs. So I just had to end it and call it off and put a pin in it. Just really end on a good note and respect the relationship that we had together, you know. With that being said, this chorus I think will be weird to end with "I was right," straight to a chorus that says "I was wrong." I was right, it just wasn't forever. That's the lyric.
I was right, it just wasn't forever. We had our time, and we had our place. I was right, and it couldn't get better. I said goodbye, but I wanted to stay. With a home,
Oh man, it's too high.
ain't the same like house. With a home.
You guys are watching me. You guys are watching me grieve a breakup in real time.
Ah! In a home that's filled with love, and it's just us. 'Cause sometimes love can never be enough.
Ow! I think that's a wrap. Whew, tough one. Really tough one. Tough, just like my dad's video. It feels the same. Oh, I'm a mess. I feel better now that that song is out. I'm still sad. I hope this helps anybody that's going through the same thing that I am. Or the fact that, like, you know, this life can be isolating and tough and selfish, and it hurts people around you. And that's kind of what this song is about. This is therapy to me, and this is how I let my stuff out. But anyway, I'm going to hand it off to Kyle. Doubt he's going to be crying while he's slamming the drums. I hope he has a good time on this song, and I'm going to let him take it from here. So here we go. Kyle, take it.
I found your picture in my wallet at the grocery store. I felt my heart drop to my stomach lower than before. It hit the floor. It fucking hit the floor. Guess that you were my person after all. Sorry that I'm not the perfect one to call. I was wrong. It feels like you're dying. How do I breathe when you're miles away? I was wrong, and I can't stand you crying. I had to leave 'cause you wouldn't have stayed. Didn't need to make you cry and sleep alone at night and leave on all the lights and make you question why we shared our life. Remember for a moment you were mine. Remember for a moment I was it's just us. 'Cause sometimes love can never be enough.
Why do my balls hurt? I've been sitting on my balls too long today. Emotion is stored in the balls, I think, and I'm just releasing it